Good morning, fam. Today we're taking 10 powerful minutes to energize, loosen up, and prepare our bodies for whatever's coming away. This time is yours, so lean into each stretch and feel yourself getting stronger, one breath at a time. Let's make the most of this together. Ready to dive in? Let's hit the mat. Come to all fours, fam. It's time for cat-cow. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your belly in cow pose, letting your spine curve. Exhale, rounding your spine up for cat, pulling your core in and stretching through your back. Let go of any tension that's lingering from the night. Move with your breath, letting each transition bring you closer to feeling fully awake and centered. Now tuck your toes, press up, meet me in downward dog. Spread your fingers wide, pressing your hands into the mat. Start to walk your legs by bending one knee, then the other. Feel that stretch travel down through your hamstrings and calves. Let each breath carry away tension and invite in fresh energy. Picture your body becoming lighter with every stretch. From downward dog, let's kick it up a notch. Lift one leg behind you, reaching toward the ceiling in three-leg downward dog. Feel that stretch along your lifted leg and into your lower back. Hold for a breath, then switch to the other leg. This one's about building strength and balance. Imagine you're reaching up with confidence, knowing you're setting a powerful tone for the day. Come back down to kneeling. We're going to lift and lower in a hip sit-up. Engage your core as you lift your body up slightly, then sink down into that stretch through your hip flexor. Repeat, finding a steady rhythm. This movement opens up the hips, getting them ready for whatever lies ahead. Now sit on the floor, knees bent, feet planted. Gently let your knees drop to one side, then the other, rotating from your hips. Move smoothly, feeling the hips open with each shift. This movement helps loosen those deep hip muscles that keep us steady and grounded. Visualize tension melting away with every turn. Stand up tall, feet hip-width apart. Let's hinge forward, reaching down toward your toes. Sweep your hands across your toes, activating your core and stretching your hamstrings and lower back. Repeat this, feeling that stretch flow through your legs and lower back. Each rise and fall is like gathering fresh energy from the ground to carry with you. From standing, reach one arm overhead and lean to the opposite side, opening up through your side body. Take a deep breath and feel that stretch through your ribs and down your side. Now, switch to the other side. This gentle stretch gives your torso the space it needs to feel more open and strong. Bring one arm across your body, holding it with the opposite hand. Hold here and let the stretch sink into your shoulder. Switch to the other side. This one releases any tightness from sleep, giving your shoulders the freedom to move with ease today. Lift one arm overhead, bending it at the elbow, and gently push on that elbow with your opposite hand. Feel the stretch down through your tricep and into your upper back. Switch arms, knowing this stretch is strengthening your shoulders and upper back, preparing you for the day's challenges. Finish off by rolling your wrists and ankles. Circle each wrist, then each ankle, loosening up those smaller joints. These rolls bring your body into alignment, waking up the details that keep you steady on your feet and confident with each step. Bam! That was 10 minutes to stretch, loosen up, and bring your best self forward. Now, let me ask you, are you ready to take this a step further? What if you could extend this energy through a full workout or bring even more calm into your day? If you're craving that extra boost, join me for a quick energizing home workout next. Or maybe you're feeling like starting your day with a moment of calm. Then check out this guided meditation to set the right tone for the day. And if you're loving this stretch, don't miss the full series for even deeper stretches and a stronger body. Take the next step, fam, and let's keep building on this energy together.